Okay, so basically that is my friend over there, Dominique Dizzy Berry, with her pet. Let me get that right. Pet turtle. Letting nature take its course. Okay, I'm gonna let them have some privacy now. 9 months later. What's happening in there? Wait, is this my patient? Dominique, I told you not to go that far. Really? You give me a croak?
No.
Okay. Well, I got my knife ready.
Oh, no.
Are you ready to have your babies? Now this is the animal.
Yes.
Now it's part toad and turtle. What will go? Okay. I am sticking it. I think your babies are coming! OMG, they have big teeth! Those are the babies!
I need to see this. Now let me take...
Still running. Oh, I'll never get anywhere from here. I have an idea. We gotta do this style. I'm not gonna let those babies rip my face off.
It's done.
10 years later, visiting Mrs. La di la 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 la. Mrs. Toad, how are you? Where is your baby? Hello?
It's right here. It's a chicken. Can you believe that? And it likes going outside. Like, seriously. What kind is it?
A chicken? As what?
A chicken. I could just eat that for breakfast.
Okay, let me get this straight. You and Mr. Toad let nature take its course, and you invent a chicken that just went out of the gate.
Yes. It's weird, right? Maybe I've been drinking too much lately.
Okay.
And then maybe it came out wrong.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear this story.
No, you're sad to hear the story.
Okay,
No.
bye!
I think I'm gonna have another one, doctor.
Be quiet, I'm gonna go away. Dominique Dizzyberry, playing as Mrs. Toad. Toxic Ruby as the doctor and random girl that was just spying, also known as Friend 2. Mr. Turtle also played as the nature course thingy with Mrs. Toad. The chicken, also known as the child of Mr. Toad and Mrs. Toad and Mr. Turtle, got eaten, as you can see over there, and that is the gravestone. And she is surprisingly happy about it. Bye!